Hi there. Welcome back. You didn't go very far, did you? Because I certainly didn't. I know that you just finished a video with me and now you're back for another one. What I need you to do is go ahead and grab a whiteboard and a marker. My voice is starting to go. Or a pencil and a piece of paper, whatever you have handy. If you need to pause the video while you gather those materials, go right ahead and I'll sit tight and wait for you. Otherwise, we're just going to keep going. So we talked about word endings and we talked about how you have to look all the way through the word from tip to tail. So from the very beginning to the very, very end. And so today we're going to practice writing some of those words. So we practiced reading them earlier. Now we're going to work on writing. So let me take you into our Jamboard. And at the very top of your board, I want you to write the word look. Let me give you just a second to do that. This is a snap word. We know this word shouldn't take long. Okay, good. Now, under that word, let me see how this is going to, oh, look, magic. I love it when something works out the way it's supposed to. Under that word, I want you to write looks. I want you to write looks. What ending are you going to give it? Wow, did you give it this ending? Yeah. Guys, looks. L-O-O-K-S. Excellent. Now, let's see. We're going to add another one. Give me just a moment. Sorry, guys, I noticed something on the board I needed to fix. So the next word we're going to write, you should have look at the top, then looks. The next one I want you to write is the word looking. How are you going to change looks into looking? While you write it, I'm going to make it on my board. Did you guys add this ing ending and change looks into looking? Excellent. Excellent work. All right, here's your next one. I want you to write the word looker. Looker. All right, while you write that on your board, I'm going to put it on my board. I'm running out of room. Look. And I'm going to add this ending. Is this what you added? Yeah, let's read it from tip to tail. Looker. All right, I'm going to do one more. Now, listen carefully to what I'm saying. I want you to write the word looked. Close your eyes and just listen. Looked. This is going to try to trick you because at the end, I hear a T. Looked. But I know if I wrote that, it wouldn't look right. I also know that if I was looking through a book, that's not what I would find. Remember I told you yesterday that ED can make some different sounds. It actually makes 3 different ending sounds. So I want you to think about that. And I'm kind of giving you the answer here. There's only one left, and it's the one I'm talking about. So I want you to change looker into looked. Okay. So yeah, we're going to have that ED ending. So a lot of times when you hear that T sound at the end of words, looked, you're going to actually write and read and see an ED. Excellent. All right, we're going to do one more. I want you to erase your board. And we're going to jump to the next one. Right? So this is also a snap word that we are familiar with, right? This is the word eat. And I think we just added that to our snap word wall. So I want you to write the word eat at the top of your board. Excellent. And the next word I want you to write is the word eater. Purple people eater. Have you ever heard that song? She was a one-eyed, one-horned, flying purple people eater. Eater. All right. Go ahead and write it. I hope you really enjoyed that singing. What ending is it going to have? Yeah. E-R. Eater. Good. All right. The next word I want you to write is eating. He was eating his lunch. Eating. And you can pause at any time if I'm going too quickly. Eating. What ending did you add? Guys, yeah. ING, I always think that's the easiest one. Eating. Good. One more. I want you to write the word eats. Eats. I'm going to add it to my board. Eats. Yeah. We just hear the S at the end. Eats. Let's read it from tip to tail. Eats. Now, we still have this ED ending sitting over here, but guys, have you ever heard of the word eated? Me neither. It's not a word. Not every word ending works with every word, and this one certainly does not work. So we're just going to leave that one all by itself. Let's go back and read these words tip to tail. Eat, eater, eating, eats. Excellent. You guys did a great job practicing. So that's all I have for you today. I will see you on Monday next week with some more phonics lessons. And guess what, guys? We also have a guest teacher that's going to help with phonics next week. Mrs. Miller is going to join us and also do some phonics lessons. You guys are going to get phonics every day. You are so lucky. So I know that you will not mind that Mrs. Miller and her Rashid are going to help with phonics next week. I'm excited about it. Are you excited? All right. I will see you guys on Monday. Have a great day. Maybe, if I can get out of here. Bye, guys.